why this universe has been created or projected or visible. That question makes many a philosopher. Why human life is seen in this planet? That makes life more blissful and happy. What is the relationship between human beings and godly beings, galactical souls, or various energy fields that is seen or perceived in this universe? The uniquest leading space becomes more powerful to feel one's own divinity, that pave way for salvation, liberation from all types of complicated living styles without any purpose at all. Then many get the purpose of life, purpose of every soul's advent in this planet. The powerful interaction with human beings to feel their leading styles in spirituality. Nija Yogic philosophy talks about that type of life that sustains growth everywhere, through its own omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient of God consciousness, spiritual realms. No human being can feel that omnipresence, omnipotent, omniscient because they are conditioned by the subconscious minds of mundane life. All those who are pure in energy field, they perceive that type of awareness of omnipresence, of godliness through their soul consciousness. It's called Antaryamitum or Atma, or the SIM card. Then where from the transmitting consciousness happens, then it is Param Atma. Then it is easy to find that type of awareness of rapport with divinity, dignity, decency through humans' living styles, where many can feel they are growing in not only values of divinity but also feel the wonderful and beautiful life in this planet. A philosopher knows everything about the life principle of God consciousness or yogic energies. Without discovery, there is no meaning for science. Without science, there cannot be any philosophy. So philosophy and science moves together with highest clarity of a visionary path in Nija Yogic life patterns. Scientific meditations prepare the mind to accept the reality of self-realization, God realization, yogic realization, cosmic realization, whatever may be the subject, or name one attribute to it, but it is all love that matters. That's why out of love only the entire creativity happens in me space, highest three space. There creativity is life. All those who are power manifestation souls, power manifestation categories, power manifestation groups, they should know the power of love, power of truth within, the power of yoga, the power of human existence. Then there is more meaning for absolute non-violence norms in wireless me space to feel and lead the life of beauty. With heightude of God consciousness, there is wonder mind along with clarity of a vision for many generations to think about a new millennium, ways of one perceiving divinity everywhere. Second coming, every subsequent birth is called second. Reincarnation is always in tune with the subsequent birth. So all those who really love to know that type of awareness of avatars or spiritual personalities advent in this planet, they know what is the beauty of the universal global consciousness of humanity in realizable potential divinity along with the wonder mind of cosmic realities through advent of spiritual souls in this planet. Advent of that type of awareness, reincarnation and action and reaction. That is there in this planet. Karma is transferable. If anybody feels that they can escape from their karmic ways, they are mistaken. This planet is for evolution and every action has got its own reactions. So no one can escape from it, or no one can escape from that type of consequences unless and until one feels that type of awareness of cosmic reality. Then there will be moderation to uplift human beings in tune with it. So spiritual laws are entirely different. So soul consciousness, soul's rules and regulations, everything is for the fastest evolution in the history of humankind. Then Nija Yogic life, Nija Yoga system of evolution. Nice, expansive awareness of Sai Yoga. All these things matters for me brand souls to engage themselves in tune with ME etiquette, millennium evolution, manifestation energy. All those who are waiting for that advent, they will wait until it gets manifested properly through ME systems 23/79. Oh yes, it's orbital secure space and cosmic security for MESSOULs to begin their advent of soul consciousness with ME spirituality. Straight right, straight left, straight. Only for bachelors and spinsters and elderly Bengal souls for the beginners in the vegetarian club, along with so many wonderful things to make a transformative change possible through one's own effort. Effort plus grace is equal to result. So all those who are in any type of belief system, it is just like an algebra. Nobody is going to keep the algebra equations in the puja room or in the wall to worship it, or utilize the algebra equations of faith in tune with the ultimate. Then salvation, liberation, soul consciousness can be experienced through one's own beautiful life in this planet. Who wants miserable conditions? No one. So happiness and blissfulness is a sign of maturity in spirituality to feel the real life of messengers of love and religion of love concept in me unit space. Create destiny through ME. Straight? Left you. A few words only for me brand soul. And souls who are going to be a part of my vision and a mission. Power manifestation souls. Power manifestation groups, power manifestation categories. That is beautiful life. Have a wonderful day and wonderful days in tune with me. Then unity of me souls, me day consciousness is most important. They are going to be my soul mates for the purpose in which I am involved, and all souls are involved. That itself is the sign of a new millennium emerging towards Satya Yuga. Left you all. I am here on this planet, grounding through my own teammates. Highest of the syllabus. Straight?